Hey Teresa, let's check this one out, buddy, and hopefully we can come up with an answer for you. So I'm just gonna get caught up to you and work it through. We have 2 points, right? We know we're at the point 2 and 3, and we have another point at -1. Come on, pen. -1 and 0. So when we do the slope-intercept, right? Or sorry, point slope, that's gonna be y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. Sorry, I'm making this video with my daughter here too, so she's only 1, so if you hear her fussing, that's her. Okay, so we need to find m first, right? This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, and this is y2. So we'll go ahead and find our slope first. Okay, that's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That's going to equal 0 minus 3 divided by -1 minus 2. So in that case, when we compute the slope, that's going to be -3 over -3. And I think this is going to get to your question right here. Remember, whenever we have two negatives that get divided by each other, the result is positive, right? So the slope comes out to be +1. And you can kind of think of it as this. The reason of this, if we were to visualize this, like let me get a different color here, and I'll just sketch out a little graph here in purple. We know that we have this point here at -1 and 0, which would be like right here, and we have this point at 2 and 3, which would be up here. And just keep in mind that as we read graphs, we always read left to right, just like reading English. So we have to have a positive slope connecting those 2 points, and the math kind of proves that. If I were to do something, maybe I messed up in my calculations and I got a negative here, well, that would be descending as we move left to right. So hopefully that kind of answers your question right there. The slope is 1 in this case, so it's not really going to matter or change anything a whole lot. But keep in mind as well, from this formula, we do have a negative x1 right here. So that will kind of throw the negative off as well when we distribute. I hope that helps. If it doesn't, let me know. Thanks.